Hi, this is Gigi, and I'll be hosting this segment of Inside the Courtroom. People assume law is based on ingenuity and evidence and witnesses, truth, etc., all the characteristics of justice. But law is really based on protocol, procedures, deadlines, pleadings, bearing more of an administrative type characteristic. Miss a filing or deadline, and even if guilty, the defendant may get off. Which leads me to the case of Combs versus Jones. The courtroom is the United States Federal Court, Southern District of New York. The plaintiff is Rodney Jones, also known as Lil Rod Jones. He's a musician and a producer. This is another civil case or civil action against Sean Combs. Jones is suing Sean Combs and a group of others named as defendants for over $30 million. This is a red flag to me because together these defendants can easily defeat Jones in so many varied ways. So he's very brave for going after this group of people. So the claims are human trafficking, sexual assault, inadequate security, liability of the premises where these allegations of assault took place, negligent infliction of emotional distress, and of course, conduct and activity in a RICO enterprise, which just means that they were running a corrupt organization. Diddy, Puff Daddy, Sean Combs was running a corrupt organization. So on February 26, 2024, Rodney Jones filed his complaint. His attorney is Tyrone Blackburn. The judge presiding over the case is a former Clinton lawyer and an Obama nominee. Judge Paul Oetken is the first openly gay judge to sit on a federal bench. So with all these allegations on the table, why hasn't Sean Combs been arrested? Well, this is why. In comes where we are in the proceedings now. Sean Combs hasn't even been served yet. According to the files, the request for the issuance of summons is deficient and was ordered to be refiled. Why? A technicality, similar to what I expressed in the beginning of this video. Names were not exactly the same on all material. There were incorrect attachments filed with the request of the issuance of summons. Technical issues you think a good lawyer would avoid. Now this is just an observation, but is this Tyrone Blackburn stalling this case? Or is this incompetence? According to his bio, he's been practicing law long enough to understand how to address the court, both in writing and verbally. Since the filing of this complaint on February the 26th, 2024, Tyrone Blackburn has made 3 or more technical errors, deficient civil cover sheets, statistical errors, pleadings, etc. Shouldn't a skilled lawyer know better? The civil sheet seems to have been corrected on March 4th, 2024, the same day that Blackburn requested the issuance of summons. But on the next day, March 5th, 2024, Blackburn was hit with another order to correct some statistical information. Again, then they sent the summons request back because it was deficient and asked him to amend that as well.
And get right.
So the cat and mouse technical game is being played here. So as of March 10th, 2024, Sean Combs nor any of the other defendants have been issued a summons. Thus, Sean Combs and all the defendants listed have not been officially notified of being sued. So we know that there's a lot of information out there online, but there has been no official summons in regard to this case. As we know, the summons marks the beginning of a case. Otherwise, this is just a complaint. In order for this to move forward, you'll need that summons. And it looks like Someone might be easily taken out with technicalities, or someone has been put in there purposely to fumble the ball. This should be interesting, however, if this case goes further, but for now, this is just a story on another gossip site. Sean Combs hasn't even been officially served, alerted about having to even defend these charges. As of March 10th, 2024, the courts are still waiting on Blackburn to fix his errors on his filings and on his request for issuance of a summons. So this is where the case is right now. This is where we are. The more I read this complaint, the more questions I have. At what point do we require people to take accountability for their choices? And that goes both ways. So, subscribe and you'll be notified when I upload more videos on this case series. Good day for now. Thanks for watching. Tune in again. This is Gigi on Inside the Courtroom. Peace.